Hi everyone, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I'm using Hira Sir's platform to say something today on this auspicious day. I'm his student and also his daughter. There are only two people on this earth who get truly and genuinely happy for our success. One is parents and others are our lovely teachers. As far as Hira Sir is concerned, I'm sure he must be one of your favorite teachers. He has also taught me and he's been my favorite literature teacher. His art of making the character of the story come out of the textbook and talk to you is his biggest talent. On YouTube, it is hard to bring out such a thing because you have just a camera in front of you in an empty room. But when it comes to real classroom, even the so-called backbenchers used to hear him with rapt attention. He has human touch in his teaching to which all students can connect. I'm not saying it because I'm his daughter, but as a student, I have missed a teacher like him who can act while teaching. I still remember how he brought out the speech of Mark Antony in Julius Caesar. I have studied in one of the top colleges in this country, but I can say that he is rare. Let me tell you why. He has a great sense of literature. He is indeed a sensitive person who can not only give you the idea of how the character in the story is feeling by acting in the classroom, but he can also sense your feelings and try to uplift you. Don't we need more sensitive people on this planet? You can come up in front of him with any article, any book on literature, even social science, and I'm sure he'll make you understand its true sense. And this is not something which can come from rote learning. He has not only literary sense, but also he has put in years of hard work in this field. At home, we call him Chalta Firta Dictionary because of his rich vocabulary, and we don't need a dictionary when he's around. Last but not the least, his open-mindedness is what distinguishes him from others. This can come when you don't have a narrow outlook on the world. Your thought process is not confined and you are not extra bookish. He never makes set speeches. He is confident on stage because he can speak about anything on earth. He is a well-read man. Even his choice of entertainment is mostly intellectual. I think I can't do justice in describing what a teacher he is, and above all, what a person he is. I think the screenshots displayed in front of you can speak for itself. But unfortunately, teachers are looked down upon by society as poor people. Students out of ignorance make fun of them, and even the so-called powerful people have nothing great to say about them. The society that does not respect its teacher is all set for degradation. The Prime Minister of this country, the bureaucrats, business tycoons are all the products of great teachers. It's high time we start respecting our teachers and show them a good gesture because they never ask for it, but it is due on us and our society. Thank you so much.